Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. The point of living is the best is yet to come. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 227, NASDAQ up 88. S&P's up 33, gold contract down $10.60, trading at $1,076 an ounce. Silver down 32 cents at $13.82 an ounce. Platinum down 13 at $8.35 an ounce. Copper up 2 pennies at $1.97 a pound. Light sweet crude up 68 cents, $31.16 a barrel. Now, the oil market, folks, it broke the $30 barrier yesterday. Came back inside it, has finished an ABC structure on the way down, a 1-to-1. Bottom line, we'll see whether it can get any wide price spread, accelerated volume topside. The two leading stocks inside the market, inside the Dow Industrials today, Exxon, Chevron, they absolutely got a bid, big time. Bonds, 10-year, down 6 ticks, 127.28. 30-year, off a full point, 2 ticks, 157.15. The 10 can't get through the October 28 downdraft. That's a big heads up that I suspect bonds are topping out. The 30 hit a high yesterday, tested that today, failed, pulled back. We'll see how we come off these highs. King dollar up 202 ticks, 99.18. What King dollar did, King dollar tried to get over its highs, failed. King dollar wants to move back to the lower side of this consolidation that's been trading in. It's going into the December 3rd downdraft. That's a monster downdraft, by the way. Euro down 17 at 108, and the yen is trading at 118.09. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. Okay, so I'm going to put the cash S&P up first so I can explain to you what we have here. Cash S&P gets down to 1890. The last two lows that we had, the first low on August 24th, 1867. Your second low that tested that area was 1871. We get to 1890. We do 1.2 billion shares, and it's a straight line move down, just like it was in August. In August, we went from 2103, and 5 days later, we were at 1867. This one here took 2 weeks. Bottom line, you're there. What have you done? Both of them are straight line moves. The market's tired right now. When the market gets tired, it does the opposite. In this case, I expect you're going to see a bounce. We did 1.2 billion shares versus 1.6. That's what it was coming into. So you can see it doesn't have enough strength to bust out these bottoms. What does that set up? On the daily, it rejected lower price. What you're going to see on the weekly now is this. On the weekly, you're going to set up a decent either a doji or a hammer. So just inside council charting and saying, hey, that wants to be a bounce. I suspect we're going to build the B to C of an ABC structure on the way down that's going to blow away all these lows. Where can you expect the cash to go? I expect you're going to have a heck of a bounce, meaning 1993. That's $70 from where we are. You get 1993, you get 2008, and you get 2019. We have a full day tomorrow. Markets are closed on Monday. I expect what you're going to see. Tomorrow you go higher. Volume is pretty good. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week, volume will contract each and every time that we're going into higher price. We go over to the NASDAQ Composite. What do we have with the Composite? This is what you have with the Composite. The Composite got down to a price point today of 44.70. The low of the 29th of September was 44.87. The August low, which was going into, was 42.92. The Composite did 2.5 billion shares versus 3.4. You can see it's 900 million less. Same type of setup. The Composite can bounce to 49.21. That'd be, well, that's 300 points. You bounce up there with lighter volume, guess what? ABC structure on the way down. If we do the Qs and the SPYs for you, this is how they're set up. The Qs are at 104.07. You can get a bounce to 109.83. The SPY, SPY, that SPY is trading at 191.93. That can bounce into the 202, the 199 to the 202 area. So you can expect some heavy bounces out here. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? They try to whack gold again. Bottom line, wasn't successful. It was successful in silver. Bottom line with gold, they're going to have to get it a lot lower. Gold out here, 1071 was the low. 1076 is where we're at. We did 167,000 contracts. That was going into 192,000 contracts and 160,000, as well as 209,000. 209,000 is going to be hard to break down. Bottom line, I expect you're going to make this run once again at the 1113 area. King dollar. What do you have with King dollar? What you have with King dollar is this. King dollar has been in this consolidation each and every time. It's up at the higher end of the consolidation. It just can't handle price. We got to 99.33. You're at 99.17, and that has to do with the downdraft from December 3rd. Now, this is a phenomenon, folks, right across the world. We're going to look at the Nikkei in Japan, and what you're going to see in the Nikkei in Japan last night, that rejected lower price. The lower price that was going into was the August 29th area, had lighter volume, and of course the Nikkei also is a market, as all markets have in the last month, got slammed. The Nikkei had gone from 20,000 down to 17,000. I expect you're going to see a bounce there. And the reason I'm bringing up these overseas markets is that if you keep an eye on them, we're going to get more of a hint and a probability when the turn will come for the next leg down in the marketplace. Right now, the Nikkei is at 17,240. You can expect a bounce out there to 18,600. So you're talking about, with that, that's 1,400-point bounce. The DAX in Germany. What do you have with the DAX in Germany? Same type of setup. What the DAX did out here today, that rejected lower price. We got down to 9,600. You're at 97.94. Going into the exact same days. DAX can get a bounce going up to somewhere about the 10,400 level. Bonds. What do we have with the bond market? What you have with the bonds is this. 10-year got to a price point today of 128.07, rejected the high, did 1.4 million contracts. Bottom line, it very well could retest the high of yesterday of 128.08. Bonds look to me like the 10-year cannot make it through this October 28th downdraft. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be coming right back. Dow Industrials finished up 227, NASDAQ up 88, S&P's up 33. We're going to be right back.